Hello everyone, it's Mudit and this is the sixth video of the game. So in this video for the first time I was going to show you 3D camera and movements. So just take a look. I made a simple box right here. I made a simple file which is like a box. It's a cube basically. So a cube has 8 points and each point can be described by an X, Y and Z position. So I typed down all of that in that file. And I have this image right here which you can download online, or I do plan to share all of this content later on, but I'm not sure right now. So this image is there right here. This is going to be applied onto the box and I've already made the code for it, so I'll run it and show you. And I also made the code for character movements, so you can control the character as well. So take a look. This is how it looks currently, and I can click and drag, and I can also press Ctrl and the cursor gets hidden, and now any movement that I make to the cursor results in rotations to this camera. And I can zoom in and zoom out by the scroll wheel of the mouse, and I can control it. I can control the character by W, A, S and D on the keyboard. So W makes it go front, S makes it go back, and A is left and D is right, like this. So you can control it like a character completely. And just take a look for yourself. This is exactly how you will want to control a character most of the time, but you can when we make the game, you'll always be able to customize it. You'll be able to change the controls later on if you're not comfortable. If you want arrow keys, then you can use that as well, but most people use W, A, S and D, so that's why this is the default, and I'm also comfortable with this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and it's the first time we have made 3D, and now it's going to get much better. And just remember, we are not using a game engine, we are using Python. So in Python we have to type everything, we have to program every detail. So 3D was difficult to achieve, but now that we have it, we can make stuff easily. So that's it for this video. In the next video I will show you how I make some basic environment. So I'll keep some grass and I'll keep some sky. So then it will look much better. It will look like we are actually in a world rather than just in space. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.